follows the journey of Dees Planet from 0 to 1000 subscribers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very special. Dees Planet has just crossed the first big milestone of 1000 subscribers. Yes, I know, I am really excited. Yay! And I know all of this wouldn't have been possible without your constant appreciation and motivation. So a big thank you, obrigado, shukriya, dhanyavad. As a small token of appreciation for all you dear subscribers, I've decided to do a small giveaway on this channel. So one lucky winner is going to win this full luxury incense cones, 4 different fragrances of this particular brand. I have personally been using this product and I absolutely love it. These incense cones are actually made from the flower waste, the flowers which are offered in temples, and this waste would have generally ended up in our rivers polluting them, but a group of marginalized women actually convert this flower waste into these incense cones. They smell amazing, they are 100% natural, and they also spread positivity around the house when you light them. So one lucky winner of this giveaway is going to win 4 different fragrances of Fool from Dees Planet. So now let me tell you what this giveaway is about. It is very simple. To participate in this giveaway, you need to do 2 things. First, you need to subscribe to Dees Planet if you haven't already done so, and make sure when you subscribe that your subscription is public so that I can verify your subscription. The second thing, you need to answer a simple question. The question is, what does sustainable living mean to you? Let me repeat, what does sustainable living mean to you? You need to answer this question as a comment below this video. Please do not send me any emails or DMs on Instagram or Facebook. Only submit your answer as a comment right below this video. So that's it. These are the 2 things that you need to do to participate in this giveaway. A few things to remember. This giveaway is open to only my subscribers based in India. And the giveaway is going to run only till 6th June 2021. Only 1 entry per account would be considered. The most interesting answer will win this giveaway, and I will be announcing the winner on 7th June. So hurry up and start submitting your answers. So please share this video with your friends, family and acquaintances. I would love to have maximum number of people participate in this giveaway. We don't need a handful of people doing zero waste perfectly. We need millions of people doing it imperfectly. This is a famous quote by Anne-Marie Bonneau. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. She's also known as the zero waste chef. The whole idea behind this YouTube channel, Dees Planet, is to motivate you, to inspire you to start taking baby steps towards a sustainable lifestyle. So keep doing the work and together we will make a difference. So that's it for today, guys. I look forward to reading some interesting answers from all of you. So until next time, bye-bye.